Meaning of downstream.
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 Downstream. The term downstream refers to the direction in which a product, service, or process flows from its origin to its end user. In other words, it refers to the stages that follow a particular step in a production or distribution process. Downstream activities typically involve the selling, marketing, and distributing of goods or services to end users or customers. These activities are critical to ensure that products reach their final destination and are consumed or utilized effectively. Effective downstream management can help to increase sales, enhance customer satisfaction, and boost brand reputation.